Have you ever pondered over the significance that Islam places on the upbringing of children? The Muslim faith, a beacon of human welfare, emphasizes not only the rights of parents and the obedience children owe them, but it also underscores the paramount responsibility parents have in providing their children with the best upbringing possible. In Islam, children are considered the joy and adornment of our worldly life, a joy that truly flourishes when parents fulfill their responsibilities by raising their children with proper care, imparting them with religious and moral education, and adorning them with the jewel of knowledge right from their childhood. The teachings of Islam urge parents, both mothers and fathers, to love their children, be they sons or daughters, equally and fulfill their rights. The Quran, the noble Furqan, and the hadiths of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, should guide us in all matters, including the upbringing and nurturing of our children. In a profound hadith, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said,